The Walk of Champions through the Grove at Ole Miss is the pinnacle of fan-player relationship. For nearly 300 yards, the Rebel family extends its heart to the men in red and blue. On Senior Day, it takes on an even more emotional air.
Man, it's pretty sweet, man. I'm gonna miss these, I miss the fans, man. I just cleared up my tears before I got off the bus, though. I love this place, man. I love these fans, man. I love it.
Hey, y'all boys. Hey, it's a beautiful night. Hey, this is a different night right here. On me. This is a different night right here. Yes, sir. Hey, I know what time it is. You already know what to say, dog.
I love each and every one of you. I love you. I would be nowhere else but right here, right now, giving everything I got tonight.
Hey, now we're going to play fast, we're going to play loose, but we're going to play for each other. Hey, do it for these seniors, bro. Hey, it's the last time a lot of these guys going to put these uniforms on, bro.
It's Ole Miss and Mississippi State on the football field for the 115th time. Hello, everyone, and happy Thanksgiving.
What's up, Momo? One more time now, fellas. Let's go. Let's go. One more time. All right, 5. One more time. Let's ride, baby. Last time, baby. Love you, man.
From the 35, 2nd and 15. Crossing route. Knox dropped it, caught it. It tipped up in the air. He's got it at the 50. Pushes to the 46. First down, Ole Miss. There's the snap. And Fitzgerald's going to keep it and run for the first down. 25-30, 35-40, 45, and eases out of bounds to the 47. He never got touched. 26 yards.
Both offenses flashed big playability in their opening drives, but it would be the Bulldog defense making the biggest play of the first quarter.
Ta'amu keeps it and the ball comes out, and look who's there to grab it out of the air. The Mississippi State defense, it's Willie Gay Jr.
First and goal from the 6, ball on the left hash. Fitzgerald is going to hand it off, and straight ahead for the touchdown is Kylan Hill.
True to form, MSU kept the ball on the ground during their next possession, and quarterback Nick Fitzgerald would lead the way.
3rd down and a yard, even less than that for Mississippi State. First down and a touchdown for Fitzgerald.
You gotta play your job. You can't cheat it. At 3rd down, get your hands on the guy. Hey, big stop right here now.
He steps up, wants to run, flips it downfield. It's a loose ball on the ground. Is it a fumble or not? It's recovered by State, and then Hibbler hammers the man that recovered it. It'll be 4th and 9 for the Bulldogs.
While the Landshark defense was tripping up Fitzgerald and company, the Rebel offense would make their move.
That was a dart from Ta'amu to DeMarcus Lodge. First down well into Mississippi State territory. From this distance, Luke Logan's been very good. He's had a good year. He leads the SEC in scoring, and this one is up and good. His 22nd made field goal of the year.
The defense got off the field a couple of times, but then that long drive there right before the half.
Yeah, they played with some good energy and got us a stop, but they were able to get one in there. We got to find a way to get some stops in the 3rd quarter, get back in this game.
And then offensively, is it get outside, just try and make some kind of play?
Yeah, no, we've had our opportunities. We got to make the plays when they're there to be made. We got to run the ball a little bit better, but we got to make plays on our one-on-ones. Yeah, thank you.
Come on, bring it here tight. Now I told you before the game that you don't have to be blood to be family. I told you that. This family's been through a lot. It's been through a damn lot. And I'll be damned if I'm gonna let a 21-3 halftime lead stop us. You hear me? That ain't gonna stop us. Now I tell you what you damn do. You go out there and you get a damn stop defense, and let's go win this damn 3rd quarter.
Fitzgerald throwing the ball, and that one, an open field tackle for the stop, well short of the first down. That's a big play for Ole Miss, and it's the safety Miles Hartsfield.
The Rebel defense would answer Coach Luke's call, but the Bulldogs had a response of their own.
Ta'amu from the goal line gets hit and throws a pick. Jonathan Abram having a huge egg bowl. He will keep it. Fitzgerald toward the end zone, and he got in. Touchdown, Mississippi State.
Come on, we good. Don't worry about it. We've been in worse spots.
We've been in worse spots to be good.
We've seen Ole Miss's quarterback Jordan Ta'amu injured throughout this game. The right hand still giving him problems. So backup Matt Corral going back in the game. We told you about the intensity of Corral. He reminds people of Chad Kelly.
Let's go. Hey, go make a play. Go make a play. Don't hang your head. Go make a play, man.
Play action for Corral again. Fakes, throws down the near side. He's got A.J. Brown caught at midfield and spun down at the 47. They haven't gone to him in a while. They haven't targeted him.
Fight. That's all you got to do is keep on fighting. Everybody good? Just keep playing hard.
Don't give up on me. I got you guys.
Corral shows a little speed, a little burst. He got away from Sweat, who's unhappy that he couldn't get the sack.
Ta'amu is, him not being at 100% is certainly a problem, but Corral right here showing some of that promise.
Corral, A.J. Brown open. He found a pocket in that pass defense. Brown still going. Brown toward the end zone. Touchdown.
No score.
Come on, Brown! Let's go!
Yeah! Throws long and wide open is A.J. Brown. He spins at the 5, still on his feet, backs toward the goal line. He's in there. Touchdown, Ole Miss. What an effort by A.J. Brown.
This ain't going to be a touchdown. We didn't get it off in time.
After review, the third quarter clock expired prior to the snap.
Wow.
There is no touchdown.
Wow.
This will be fourth quarter.
One touchdown? One touchdown?
1 year ago, it was the Rebels' turn to lift the golden egg in victory. But this night went the Bulldogs' way. And with it went the trophy.
Let's go, Sean. Love you, boy. Love you. Love you, man. Come here. Come here. Come here. You look at me. You look at me. You look at me. Look at me. Hey, look at me. Hey. Hey. Hey, remember this. You understand me? And let it fuel you. You got me? Remember it and let it fuel you. We're about to build something big, okay? You understand me?
Thank you.
All right, let's go. Hey, yep, you got it. Hey, you remember this and let's go get it. You understand what I'm saying? You're the future. Let's go. You remember it. Seniors, I'm forever in your debt. There's a lot of hurt right now, and rightfully so. It's never easy to lose to your rival. But I'm proud of you seniors. I'm proud of the guys that came back and fought with us. It's easy to sit back and critique when you don't know what people are going through. It's easy to sit back and judge. But when you take on adversity and you look in the eye and you keep battling, you hold your head up and you be proud. You understand me? And you young guys, we're about to build this thing. You understand me? Yes, this thing is coming back. We're getting this thing back to full strength. We're going to go out and recruit. We're going to get you guys some help. And you guys that stayed, you gave us a chance to do that. This thing could have gone off the rails, but it didn't. And I can't say enough to you older guys. I love you guys.
Well, you too,
hey, remember, we're always in this thing together, no matter what.
No doubt.
You don't have to be blood to be family. You don't have to be blood to be family. I appreciate you guys. You keep your head up. You young guys that are coming back, remember it. Remember it. Let it fuel you. Let's go get back to full strength. And man, let's go get it, man. Let's go get it. Love you guys. Family on 3. 1, 2, 3. Family. Great.
Hell of a ride, Coach. We gotta go build this thing up, Coach. I love you, man. I'll fight for you any day, any war.
As we move forward and we start going to recruit and our plan to build this thing and get it back on track, I think those guys, when they come back, they'll have pride in knowing that they help keep this thing together. And so that's the message. It's time to move forward. It's time to go recruit. It's time to get this thing back to full strength. And it's time to go to work.
You know, we obviously don't enjoy losing a football game, but these players, you know, these men have been through an enormous amount the last 2 years. And I said a couple weeks ago, it's an honor for me to be around these guys and watch them fight and persevere, watch the fortitude that they have. I'm proud to have been around these guys the last 2 years, and I'm going to miss the seniors that are graduating.